In the previous video, we covered what are lovables and what are lovable connectors, and we also understand how to enable or connect our Notion to lovable connectors. Okay, I just give you introduction of every and each thing. Now it's time to implement it. So here I have lovable connector. Okay, and here you can see we already connected our Notion here. So now it's time to add the linear and n8n, and then we will create a wonderful portfolio website using these three and also lovable connector. Okay, so let's start by setting up the linear as well. So click on setup, then click on connect. It will ask for approve, then click on access. Here you have to log in with linear. So here you can see I have created a portfolio, lovable portfolio build here, workspace. So what I have to do is to just connect this. So now you can see it's successfully connected to lovable. Now we have to just move back here. And if I just go again here, settings, then connectors, and here you can see linear is also connected. So now it's time to add the n8n as well. So come here, click on setup here, then click on connect. Then here you have to enter the server URL. So I have already copied. You have to just paste it here. Okay. And then click on add and authorize. Here it opened a new tab, and here you can see it wants the access. So click on allow, and it is checking the server, and it failed. I think there is an issue regarding that. So click on return home. So click again, settings, connectors, then n8n. Here just click on the connect. Here click on how to set up. Okay, so we have to go to instant level MCP and enable the MCP server. So here what we have to do is go to this settings and instance level MCP, and here we have to enable the MCP access. Now here we have the authorization. So I will copy it, okay, and move back to Lovable, and here paste it again. Now add and authorize. And now it again asking for the permission. So let's allow them. And yeah, it's connected successfully. Okay. So you can connect it as well. Okay. Now here, let's refresh this. So if I just go to my profile settings and connectors, you can see our linear Notion and n8n is enabled. Okay. So now let's move back, and here type the prompt here. So what I have typed is create a modern professional responsive developer portfolio site, and the data sources is fetch all the project data from Notion. Okay. And also I have added some requirements here, that clean model, and also here behavior, that will be when I update the Notion data, it also changes here. Okay. And it should be fast and SEO friendly. Now here what I have to do is to click here, and as you can see it start thinking. Now as you can see here it asking for Notion search, so let's allow it. Now here you can see after allowed it start thinking again, and after that we will make some changes here in the design, because it looks perfect but needs some more design or animations. Okay, so we will do it. But so as you can see here it everything fetched and looks perfect, and here you can see it act as featured. Okay, now what we have to do is let's change some designs here. So what I will tell is, so what I tell, change the overall design and make it a little bit modern with attractive and professional color combination. Okay, now let's enter it and let's see how it working. So it started thinking again, and what it will do, it will change the whole color designs. Okay, because I have tell him to change the color combinations and the overall design. So let's see what it creates. But if for the beginner or for the basic part, look the design. So guys, look at this. The design looks perfect. Here you can see we have now the navbar is changed with the hero section as well. If I just show you here, here you can see a scroll. Here we have all projects, that is portfolio, then we have task management, automation, weather dashboard, e-commerce. Here we have blog. Not only that, but whatever languages we know already here, and it is fetching data from the Notion here. And here we have our experience. Not only that, but here it's about section as well. Okay, and at last we have a contact us section. Okay, it's amazing. And now at last, after that, I will just move to publish it. Okay, so let's publish it for. So here click on publish, and we have to write the subdomain here, but we don't need because we can directly publish it without any that. Okay, if we just keep it empty, it will auto generate it. Now here, who can access? So I will set to anyone so that I can share this to you. Here you can see there is a security scan here that says one warning. Let's check what is the warning. That database has no security policy. Okay, I will fix it. Okay, we don't have to do it here. So guys, in future, if you guys support, I will try to create a perfect web app for you guys, like which helps you in your real life. Okay, so just keep supporting guys. Okay, I just need your support. That's all and nothing else. So here just move to here publish, and as you can see it start publishing, and here it preparing building, and the here is the generated link. So I will share this link in the description so you can see that. Okay, and here you can see here we have the link, and here you can see page analysis as well. Not only that, here we have number of visitors, how many visitors have just accessed the website. So I just checked how many users or you checked out this website, so that I can get the overall analytics that how many of you guys are really waiting for the web app. So guys, that's all about today's video, and if you like this video, make sure to like it. Check out this Lovable connector. Yeah, it's great. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.